Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivatmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 21 of being productive in coding. So I'm gonna solve kth smallest element in a BST. BST means binary search tree. Let's get into the video. Binary search tree means left node will be less than the root node and the root node will be less than the right node. See here, 1 is less than the 3 and 3 is less than 4. In the same way, all the left elements that are present will be lesser than the root, and the writer nodes are greater than the root. This is the property of binary search tree. How can we solve this problem? See here, we can solve this problem by adding all these numbers into an array list, and we can sort that array list and we can get the kth smallest element from the array list with the help of index. But instead of sorting, we have in order traversal. With the traversal technique, we can get all the elements in a sorted way without even using external functions, right? Collections dot sort, like that. With the help of in order traversal, we can get all the elements in ascending order to descending order. See here. So the final array list will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and from there we need to get the third smallest number, and we can easily get the index from the array list. I hope you all are getting. Let's start the video. Let's start the coding. So first of all, I am initializing one array list. Let's call it a new array list, and I would like to create one function. Let it be in order, because that we are going to traverse in order traversal. For that's why I'm keeping the function name as in order, and I'm passing my root and my array. Okay, now I'm writing this function here, public, and the function will not return anything. For that's why it is void, and in order tree node r, let it be r, and array list, we are passing array list also, right? Array list, let it be result array list. Okay, now in order traversal will start. First of all, it will go to the left node and then root node, and then it will visit right node, right? So let's write the code. In order, first it will visit r dot left node, and then it visit root. While visiting the root itself, we have to add the root dot val in our array list, resulting array list. Okay, both are same. We are adding the root dot value into our array list. Okay, now next it will visit to right node, and at last we will return our array list to our main function. It will, so the function here, we will get the answer value as this. This function value will come into here. I hope you are all getting. Return. Now, so here we will get the a value as the resulting array list, right? So at last we need to return a dot get the kth smallest element, k minus 1. And one more thing we have to do. What if our root itself here null? We need to handle that case, right? That is the main edge case. If suppose the root itself is null, but here we are not declaring the root as root, we declared root as r. So if our r itself, that means root itself is null, means just return nothing. Okay, let's execute. Compilation error. Okay, root dot by, it is r, right? We kept our root name as r. Let's execute. it passed. So here in order traversal is happening, I have explained the recursion process detailedly in my YouTube channel. I will show you. See, I have explained the recursion concept here in this video. I will give you this video link in the description as well as in this iCard. So please check it out that video. And also in these consistency videos being productive in coding, I also explained recursion in one of the video. So please check out these videos, guys. It would really helpful for you. So let's submit the code here. It pass. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please do watch the recursion process. In that, I really explained very well. So please watch it. So you will get to understand how this recursion process is happening here, like that, in order traversal. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.